Hi guys, welcome to Jan's Journey. My name is Jasmine, and as you can see in the title, this is so true. I love being frugal, but at the same time, you do have your channel. You want your channel to grow, and you have a list of stuff that you want to purchase, you want to buy, that you want to share with your subscribers, and it's something that maybe you have a passion for, and you just wanted to be creative and do something different. So yeah, there's many things that you do have on top of the list that you want to purchase. Not create something else or add something else to your top of the list, like the backdrops and all those things that you do need for your channel to look how you really want it to look. So but I do like that this background, it has two tones, so one day I could leave it gold, the other day I could just flip it and have it the silver tone. But I feel like the gold was perfect since we are starting fall, and I really love the fall season. So I'm like, let me just leave it this color. Another tip I'm going to be sharing with you is the other background that I had before. That one cost me, I think it was around $3.50 or almost $4. And it was just for that whole background. Getting a background could be challenging, and sometimes you probably buy it in Amazon or one of those professional backdrops, and they could add up. They could be a little bit expensive because it just comes with one shade, one color, and if you want to keep changing it, you have to continue buying that. The one I have behind me, the reason why it cost me 50 cents, you could buy this in a dollar store, but it will cost you $1. But I'm frugal, so I was shopping around, and there's places like Michael's, Joann's, and Hobby Lobby. They have this type of paper poster board. And this poster board, what I do like from these places that I mentioned, that they do, some of them have, like, you could flip it and they have another color on the other side. Not all of them, but there's a few, at least they have other options, other colors that you could select, and once you flip it, you have another side. So it costs $1, and what I do like from Michael's and Joann's, I'm not sure about Hobby Lobby since I don't have one near me, but these companies, they usually have a coupon that you could, when you sign up to their account, they will send you a coupon through the email, or they have it on their own website. So while I'm in the store, I search on the website, and they usually have a coupon right there, and it's usually 50% off. Sometimes they have 40% off on one item, regular price item. And since usually the poster boards are regular price item, what I do was I purchased one, and I used that coupon 50% off. Since it was $1, it came out to just 50 cents for the poster board. So this is a good way for you to buy this item if you really want a backdrop that it could be any color that you want, or the colors that they do have available. Another option that I have, which is the one that I had previously, I purchased that also in Joann. I noticed that Walmart had that same backdrop color, but there's no coupons for that. So I went to Joann and I asked for a yard, and since it wasn't on special, I used my 50% coupon. I think the yard was, I'm not sure if it was $7.50 or $8 a yard. So I used my 50% coupon, and my yard came out to, that backdrop came out to just, I don't know if it was $3.50 or $4, but let's just say $4 in case, which is still pretty good. For $5, you could get two different backdrops, and the good thing is that sometimes the yard there you could find them $7.50. You could even find a lot for a lot less. So these are options that I wanted to share with you. Then not only wait until there's no special price for it, also use a coupon from the store, that it will help you save a lot more. The other option that I did was, one of my first backdrop that I did was, I had a bookcase, which is the bookcase right now. It's just that I have the other side, and the other side I have all my couponing stuff. But before the bookcase I had, I'm going to show you a picture how it looked like. It's just a standard wood color. It was a dark wood color, but I wanted to make it a little bit more girly. So in the inside, what I did was I just bought gift wrapping paper, and I really like the colors, and you could even keep it neutral. And what I did was I put the gift wrapping paper there. I purchased that in Target, and the good thing is that in Target I have an app that is It's called Shopkick, and this app is so good. I think I had this app since 2012, and every time I go to a store, even in the mall, whatever stores that they have listed. Just for walking into the store, they just give you points. If you scan a few items, they give you points as well. If you purchase a few items, sometimes they will say, I'll give you 3 times the points if you use the credit card that you have linked to our account. So it's a win-win. If you get 500 points, automatically you get $2 gift card from Target. The gift wrapping paper cost me about $2.50 or so. So using a gift card that I got from my Shopkick, it just came out to almost 50 cents. So there is many ways that you could use all those good apps, coupons, to help you grow your channel, and you don't feel so much that you have to put that on the top of the list and limit yourself from all those items that you really want to get. So this is a good way for you to continue changing your backdrop in a super affordable price. So that's why I'm doing this video, just to give a heads up and information there in case you don't know, in case you want to change your backdrop. This is why I want to do this video, so you could know that there's options out there and it doesn't have to cost you that much. One thing that my husband does when we go to Joann and we're going to look for a backdrop, a fabric behind me, he will have the phone like recording me. And even though I don't use my phone to record, but it is almost like recording, and you want to see how it looks, because sometimes you would like a shade, a color, but once you see yourself behind it, it's like it came off so totally different in camera. So that's why I was very careful. The colors I will pick, I will always test them in the store, and then I'll know how it would look like in camera or have an idea. So I don't know, just a hint in case, because it's just fun. It's just something that we do every time we're looking for a backdrop. So action. And if you really like this video, just give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so, I welcome you to subscribe to my channel. All those links like Joann and Michael's and Hobby Lobby or any other place that I don't know about, I'm going to provide that in the description box, those links, so you could just check it out yourself as well. Thank you so much for watching, and if you do buy it and you have a new backdrop, you could drop your link to your channel. I would like to check it out to see what was your buy using my tips. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.